How to get Qatar Airways Privilege Club card. So the very first thing that you need to do is you cannot apply or get this privilege card by doing it on the application. Since you have to open up any preferred web browser on your end and then just head directly to qatarairways.com/privilege dash club. Now, once you have successfully typed in on your search bar, you will automatically be redirected to this page in which you will have a bunch of options that you can see, like the specific type of tiers on Qatar Airways Privilege Club, the benefits that you will be getting if you join the club, a few points needed for you to be able to get those points and redeem it. So this is gonna be the tier 1. The tier 2 is silver, and the tier 3 is going to be gold and platinum, and so on and so forth. Now, for you to be able to get that, you'll have to apply and join first. So once you're here, just simply click on join now for you to be able to check for eligibility. And of course, this is not gonna come for free. You'll have to pay a specific amount for you to be able to join the privilege club. And once you have successfully entered and registered in it, you will be provided a card. So just simply type in your credentials like your email address, your country code, your password, your personal details, where do you live, your enrollment promo code, sign up for the news and offers, and so on and so forth. Just complete this form right here, and please do check your email time to time so that you will be able to know if you are being approved or not. So that's it. That's how you join Qatar Airways Privilege Club card.